good? It's been a while since I made a video. What's up, YouTube? What's up, everybody out there that's watching? It's been about a week since I've actually driven this thing. So, getting ready to start her up, pull her out, and gonna pull the valve cover off. Not the valve cover, engine cover. And the busted intake, that's stock. That's busted. So I might as well, since I'm not driving this, which I actually had a review of the daily too, because I got about a daily last week. Been driving that. So that's a new car reveal technically then. But I'm gonna pull this out real quick, this beast, and pop the hood and just start doing stuff. So I've missed this car so much. Okay, so let's see what we gotta do here. So we've got to, right here. I'm gonna attempt to take this off because it's busted. Take this bad boy off right here. So, yay. The only mod on this car and this engine is headers. Ooh, Jesus Christ. Yep, that's
right. Here's your top.
That's hot. Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
That's hot. That was
No, I had to check to see if my car started because my back door was propped open. Because
Really?
I got MSC down, and if I don't close it all the way, I can't start the car.
Alright. Well, probably wasn't the best idea to, touch the headers. That was hot. Let's see what kind of trash we got going on here. Alright. Sad bumper. Oh, it's upside down. Okay, so let me get my extension. Should be fine. Let's see the light on these bolts. It's been about a 10mm maybe. Maybe 11. Let's find out. I was right the first time, 10. Get this bullshit off that Nissan puts on here.